Welcome to our comparison video where we dive into the features and specifications of two popular smartphone gimbals, the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 and the AOCHUAN XPRO. Both gimbals are designed to enhance your smartphone videography experience, but they come with different features and price points. Let's explore how they stack up against each other. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7 boasts features like Active Track 7.0 for subject tracking and one-tap edit for quick video creation. In contrast, the AOCHUAN XPRO offers an OLED display and an integrated RGB fill light, providing more creative options for your filming needs. Both gimbals cater to different user preferences, with the Osmo focusing on simplicity and the XPRO on advanced functionalities. When it comes to battery life, the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 offers up to 10 hours of use, while the AOCHUAN XPRO extends that to 12 hours. This slight edge in battery performance could be crucial for long shooting sessions, making the AOCHUAN XPRO a better choice for those who need extended usage without frequent recharging. Price is always a significant factor in any purchase decision. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7 is priced at $89, making it a more budget-friendly option. On the other hand, the AOCHUAN XPRO comes in at $115, reflecting its additional features and capabilities. Depending on your budget and needs, this could influence your choice. In conclusion, both the DJI Osmo Mobile 7 and AOCHUAN XPRO offer unique features that cater to different user needs. The Osmo is perfect for those seeking simplicity and ease of use, while the AOCHUAN provides advanced features for creative videography. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.